Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Weekend Watch Repair. My name is Adam, and if you clicked on the little thumbnail thing to watch this video, you're probably here to win this. This is a Citizen Bullhead that we rebuilt on the channel, a watch that I was very nervous to begin on. I sat on it for a while, but I'm glad I have it one under my belt now and a lot more confidence working on others. And this thing is running so exceptionally well. I'm excited to see who wins. Actually, I'm doing voiceover. I already know who won, but you'll see here in a minute. So I'm excited to give this thing away. Early congrats to the winner. And yeah, it was a fun project. It turned out to be the longest video actually we ever did on the channel, which is actually kind of saying something a little bit, because I think if anything, I'm known to kind of make long videos. So nevertheless, we're going to do some quick function checking here. If anything, this will show the winner how this watch functions. So standard start stop on the chronograph, you can see everything resets to 0 like it should. And I'll kind of run through the testing here. We'll do just some basic timekeeping, setting the time. You pull the crown out to the furthest out position, turn the crown counterclockwise, and you can set the time in the forward direction. In order to do a quick set on the date, what you do is you pull the crown out to the first outward position, and then you can rotate it, again, counterclockwise, and it'll do a quick set for the date. While the crown is in that first outward position, you can press the reset pusher, and it will change the day. So that's how the watch works. Everything is working great. This thing has been running nonstop on this fancy little winder. I actually won. It's a Wolf winder, and I would never pay what those things cost new, but I just have it on that, and this thing's been running nonstop. After a few days after running, I made a small adjustment, and then this thing has been running just exceptionally well. You can see on this beads of rice bracelet, these are sized for normal people. I'm not normal, and I have these giant gorilla wrists, so about 8.5 inches. So it doesn't really fit. It fits normal people. Playing around with some straps, though, this particular strap was in the rebuild video. I had it laying around, and I just thought that this thing looked great. This watch takes 18mm straps, and this unique colorway for the strap, for some reason, it just suits my eye. It may not suit yours, but I just thought it was really cool. But playing around with it, I wanted to try some other straps, and really everything I put on here fit the watch. This is just the most basic leather strap you can imagine, and the watch just looks so good with it. And so if the winner likes this strap, likes that gray one, it'll come with the beads of rice bracelet. But if you want either of these straps, let me know, and I'll include them in the package. This particular black one is an XL length, so it took all my willpower. You can see it actually does fit me, but it took all my willpower not to wear this watch during the day these past couple weeks, but it is in pristine condition for the winner. So let's go ahead and get to the giveaway. So we're going to do like a quick integrity check, I suppose. Go over to the calendar, and you can see it is Sunday, December 21st. So if anything, at least I'm on time. That's the one thing at least I can get right. So we're on the right date. We can go ahead, and I'm going to copy the link to the rebuild video and go up here to this YouTube random comment picker, and we'll paste in the link to the video. Duplicate users is already deselected. I'm going to disable replies, so that'll exclude all my own comments and allow 1 entry per user. And I'm speeding up the video quite a bit because it takes some time to count these up. But okay, folks, here we go. Let's see who wins this watch. Congratulations to Todd Matke, 1950. Todd, I don't know where you're at, but congratulations. You won what I believe to be a phenomenally cool watch. This Citizen Bullhead running super well. I really think you're going to like it. So congrats to you. If you would please email me at weekendwatchrepair@gmail.com. Send me a screenshot of you logged into your account. We'll then go through an additional step verification, authenticating you as the actual legitimate winner. It's super easy. We'll communicate via email. Once verified, we'll exchange some information, and I will send your watch to you. And please remember, Todd, if anyone pretends to be me, which I don't know why they would, this channel's not huge, and I'm not anything special, but I will never ask you for any money whatsoever. in any way, shape, or form, you won this thing free and clear, including shipping. I'll send you tracking and all that. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the giveaway. Short and sweet, no commercials. I'm working on the next watch right now. And until then, take care of yourselves and each other and have a great holiday. We'll see you.